have just done something extraordinary with this account. I have just built this account from 0 followers to 11,000 followers in 7 days. Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 major factors that I changed or I did differently that helped me build this particular account from 0 followers to 11K followers, and I have received a monetization tool on the account. I've seen a lot of creators struggling. Now, this is just one of my accounts on Facebook. I have accounts of over 700,000 followers. I have accounts of over 100,000 followers, and now this is my baby account. So I want to share this formula that helps me build this account from 0 followers in 7 days to 11,000 followers and still counting. So now I understand Facebook is coming up with updates, and those updates, a lot of people are finding it difficult to actually key into those updates. I will be telling you, it is actually very simple, and when you understand it, you will discover that your account will blow up in a week. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you. I've only posted 35 videos on this account. 35 videos on this account. Imagine posting only 35 videos and giving you 11,000 followers. That is massive. So in case this is the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. Then when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I create YouTube tips, Facebook tips, or video editing tips, you get to benefit. Now, let me don't waste your time. Let me share my screen and then show you this particular account. And I'm going to be sharing with you how your audience reception will help you by the end of this video. Now, first of all, take a close look at this account. You can see this is Tunde's episode. I have Tunde's diary, which is my account of 700,000, and I have Tunde's diary extra, which is my account of 100,000. I have this one, Tunde episode, which is my baby account. Now, let's go to the reel of this account. Now, these are the video I posted today, 5,000, 4,000, then yesterday, 8,000, 9,000, 30,000, and other days. Are you seeing viral videos? 35,000, 180,000, 425,000, 100K, 79,200 and something, blah. You can see this, this is all the video I've posted on this account. And you can go check this. You can go to Facebook and check this account. I started posting on this account 7 days ago, and look at what I have gotten. Now, let's go to the dashboard of this account. Now, click on your professional dashboard. Now, this account have generated 1.2 million views in 7 days. And look at, everywhere is green. Everywhere is green. But before we do that, let's go to what? Let's go to the monetize. Now, take a close look at this. This account actually have that Facebook monetization challenge, and I have completed it. Now, let's even click on see more and see what we have there. See, I got 1,411,000, while others are still even looking for the 300,000. Now, look at, I already have subscriptions monetization on the account already. So I'm not going to set it up. I choose to just leave it because I'm waiting for the content monetization before I will even think of setting it up. But for now, I'm going to leave it. Now, let's go to our audience reception. Now, you can see my audience reception is what is, if you look at it, audience reception this week, you can see strong positive reaction drive. You can see it is green. My audience reception is green. And how was I able to keep my audience reception? How did my audience reception helps me in achieving this greater height in what? In a week. Let me show you that. Now, click on that, see why. Now, first of all, you need to understand how your audience reception works. First of all, they say, audience reception, your audience response to your post this week, an average of how well your videos kept viewers engaged until the end, and how often they like, share, and commented on your views. So meaning my score for this week is just 6/10, which is good. Your audience reception should not be below 5. If your audience reception is below 5, then it will be difficult for you to have viral videos. Now, let me share with you 3 ways you will now build your audience reception, which will help your page to grow very fast. First of all, hooking your audience. If you go to all the videos on that account, I was able to hook all my audience from the first 5 seconds to 10 seconds of every video. I was hooking them, and the moment you were able to hook your audience, then that videos will fly. And when that video fly, what happened? You will gain more audience or more followers. That is what you are going to be gaining. So work on your hooking. Hooking is ability to attract or to trigger people's attention in your first 5 to 10 seconds of your video. So meaning if your videos have not been catching people attention, go and work on that. Number 2, let's create content people want to share with a friend. Number 2, what I did differently was that I was creating content that people were looking for. I was creating valuable content that everybody are searching for, content that is benefiting everybody. That was the number 2 thing I did. Now, if you go to that video, you will discover that I was not posting lifestyle or dancing or comedy or this thing. I was posting teaching. I was posting what people were looking for back to back on that account. That was what I did. So people were able to relate with that video and they were sharing that video, which enabled me to have more engagement and more viral videos. Comments. I was able to spark, there's what I call call to action. Walk to your call to action as like spark people's reaction, make people talk, get people talking in your comment section, extend conversation in your comment section. That was what I did. Now, whenever you post on your account, the first 5 minutes of that video, make sure you wait to respond to or reply comments or spark. You can even type in the comment section share your thought, share your opinion, just make them or get them talking. So when you do this, this will increase your audience. When you do these 3 things, this will increase your audience reception and then enable you to do what? To grow very fast. So these were the 3 things I did differently on my YouTube. You can on my Facebook account, and you can see I've completed this, and they say I should wait till August. If you read, I'm to wait till August, meaning within 28 days, this account will be monetized. So do you see it now? So in case you are having any issues at all on your Facebook account, feel free to reach out to me. Go to the comment section, ask me questions. If there are any difficulties you'll be having, I understand. A lot of creators have been on Facebook for over the years. Imagine I have 3 accounts, 3 Facebook accounts on Facebook, and both of them are doing pretty well. So go ahead, subscribe, leave me a comment. Just turn on the notification bell, then give me a thumbs up so that this video gets to reach more people, and come back again tomorrow for another video like this. All right, thank you.